Player view. Press open chat to open chat. She loves Stepa 231 killed Lava Ranger 17. Lol. 4 of 10. Cupcake Money 641 was slain by the Boki God. 2 of 10. Custom Coin 63567 was slain by Dead TikTok. 9 of 10. 6 of 10. Zoro 3259 was annihilated by She Loves Stepa 231. Lava Ranger 17 was slain by Dead TikTok. Sinzi Tuba 738,525 thought they could survive in the void while escaping Isabella 239,424. She Loves Stepa 231 showcased their weapon to custom coin 63,567. She Loves Stepa 231 gave Zoro 3,259 the L. Flag taken. Cupcake Money 641 has taken the blue flag. She Loves Stepa 231 showcased their weapon to Lava Ranger 17. She Loves Stepa 231 wanted to show custom coin 63,567 something cool. Death. The Boki God thought they could survive in the void while escaping Dead TikTok. Fernando Trucoxt was slain by the Boki God. Zoro 3259 got a facelift by She Loves Stepa 231. Lava Ranger 17 died in the void. Isabella 239,424 died in the void. Custom coin 63,567 thought they could survive in the void while escaping Isabella 239,424. Sinzi Tuba 738525 was slain by Dead TikTok. Dead TikTok died in the void. Cupcake Money 641 died in the void. She Loves Stepa 231 bought the Boki God a gift. Oh wait, it's just death. She Loves Stepa 231 blew Zoro 3259 into the void. Flag taken. Isabella 239,424 has taken the blue flag. She Loves Stepa 231 yeeted their weapon into custom coin 63,567. Zoro 3259 died in the void. Top players. Blue, the Boki God. Red, She. Generated. Player view.